Hi guys, hello and welcome to the channel. I'm just going in, I'm going to do some two-strand twists, showing you all my hair as of now. I have been locked, I want to say 11 months. This February will make my 1-year lock anniversary. So yeah, I'm just getting right into it. I'm going to spray it down with my little water mixture. Yes ma'am, get them all nice, well, and moisturized, guys. So I love my hair. I really do. It's just hard trying to find something to do with it. But it's a learning phase, a learning process. So here we go.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit,
Yeah, I just want to come in and say right now, this is my first time two-strand twisting my hair. This is my first two-strand twist. So with that being said, I do feel a little like, oh, am I doing this right? Am I doing this right? Happy New Year, by the way, to everybody. I hope everyone brought it in the right way, doing their whatever it is that you wanted to do. I wish everybody prosperity, peace, and abundance during this new journey, during this new phase, guys. And just wishing you all the love and happiness and peace and love and all that good stuff, okay? So Happy New Year to you guys. But yeah, so I just wanted to stop and say, this is my first time two-strand twisting my hair. And we gonna see. I had to take one of them down back here because I had it the wrong lock way over here connected to that one. So we're just gonna guide through and use our fingers. If you want, you guys can fast forward to the end of the video if you don't want to hear about my lock journey so far. So I've been locked going on 11 months. Next month, February, will make my 1-year journey. And you know what? I am a wig lover to the end. I love my wigs so much. So I wore a lot of hair units on, and then it was times where I find myself not knowing what the freak to do to my hair, because it's in a phase where like, oh, what do I do to it? So I just catch myself wearing it in one style. Excuse me, I got like little head colds in here. The AC was off and then it was back on, and when it's hot and cold in Texas, that's all I gotta say. But anywho, yeah, so I like it. It's been great so far. Now I'm noticing that I don't like my hair pulled up too much. As soon as I put water on it, it's doing good. It has locked at the roots, and it's done a little budding, but so far the ends of my hair are not locked, so it's still transitioning over. I was a loose natural. I had like blowout hair. My hair was blown out, so that, I think that made it work. Is that being said, I feel like it's being it's taking a longer time to transition over to lock my hair, which is fine. Like, my journey is going beautiful, just as planned, honey, because it is what it is. Okay. But these two-strand twists, I was so eager to do some. And just to have it to just lay down. We're gonna see how it come out, y'all. I'm nervous. I don't even know if I'm gonna put this video out as of right now. Alright, so let's just jump right back into the video.
if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't won't give up till I'm on top.
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different